In this video I'm going to find out if it's possible to be profitable as a beginner day trader. Now I've been in the crypto space for a little over a year now. I've done swing trades and long-term holds, but I've never really done any real day trading like I'm about to do in this video. I'm going to be starting this challenge with $500. We'll see over the course of the next few days how much profit or loss I can accumulate. Right off the bat, since I'm a beginner day trader, I'm going to be heading to the only legit 100% trustworthy source of valid information, YouTube. Try to learn what strategies I should implement over these next several days of trading. So I woke up bright and early today at 12 p.m. and just a few minutes ago I placed my first couple of trades for this day trading challenge. Before I get into that, I'm just going to talk about a couple of the strategies that I learned from YouTube and the ones that I'm actually going to be trying to implement. So first off, we got support and resistance, and also the RSI, which is the relative strength index. And basically when the RSI is at the top, that means it's being overbought. When it's at the bottom, it's oversold. So you want to buy when it dips below the little purple box. Like I said, complete beginner, I have no idea what I'm actually doing here. And then also you can take a look at some of the moving averages. That's another strategy, just trading off of like the 50-day, the 10-day, and when it falls below, you can mess around with that and combine that with the RSI. Stuff gets complicated, man. And of course there's pattern recognition, there's all kinds of stuff. Bull flags, you got pennants, cup one handle, I know that one. And there was a strategy called MACD with 100 EMA, and then it was like 3% profit. I don't know. And there's also scalping, which the way I saw it was a 5, 8, and 13-day moving average, and it's ultra short term, and you're just kind of looking for the averages to cross. And then there's just like breakout trading and trend trading, which probably more my style. But I'm gonna be trying to use the RSI to help. I'm not gonna be going too crazy with it. I gotta ease into this, you know. So for these first two trades I kind of just did it off the RSI and just kind of drawing some squiggly lines and little support and resistance. And the crypto market has tanked over the past couple of days. The entire market's kind of at a support level right now, and it's kind of bouncing back up slowly. So I think we should be okay. Problem here is I'm gonna be doing all my trades on Coinbase Pro. Let's just say I had a little bit of trouble moving some money around. So what I did was I bought, and then I immediately put a stop loss and then a take profit level. Basically I went in with $250 on DOT at around like $42, the stop loss at 40, and the take profit at about like 46. And Solana, I messed up the buy order, so I only put $245 in. Stop loss was at about 212 and take profit at about 227. When I was looking at charts, I was looking at the 4-hour chart. I feel like that's pretty fair to kind of go off of right now. But yeah, those are my first two trades. I might have just thrown away $500, but at least it wasn't from drop shipping. That's all I got for right now. I'll check with you guys a little bit later tonight. Well, it's now 4 a.m. No, I didn't just wake up at this time. This is when I usually go to bed. And for some reason, my stop sell loss order on Coinbase Pro for Solana did not go through. I would have lost about $5. So I kind of canceled it. I also canceled my order for DOT. It kind of broke out. I mean, like $1 or $2, we would have made like $2. So it's kind of useless. I'm just going to hold on to them. Hopefully they make a move tomorrow. So I'll check with you guys tomorrow after I wake up. Alright guys, it's actually been a couple days now since I last checked in. The reason why I haven't checked in is simply because big market correction. Bitcoin took a dump all the way to 58,000, went as low as 55, but now we're just kind of chilling at 59. Gaming alts are going crazy, but the big ones aren't doing a whole lot right now. The whole market's just kind of chilling. And the Coinbase Pro fees are just absurd. Don't try to day trade on Coinbase Pro. It's a terrible idea. For me, it was easiest to deposit USD into Coinbase Pro, but then the deposit finally clears after I sold DOT for a $3 profit. Let's go. And I sold Solana for $11 profit.
Get it. Show them, girl.
And then move that money into KuCoin. But first, I did have a little bit of spare money in Gate.io, and I wanted to buy into UFO Gaming. So I bought $200 of that and ended up selling it a few hours later for a $10 profit.
You go gong, and stocks go up.
Now at this point, I kind of threw out all the trading strategies that I learned. I just can't do technical analysis. I mean, I can kind of get a general idea what's going on. I can read markets and stuff, but other than that, the charts, squiggly lines, and triangles don't do much for me. And so our total profit right now is $24. And I made a questionable decision. I went all in with $500 into RMRK, and right now that investment's down about $40. Now there are a couple more coins I want to try to get into. I think we're going to have a little bit of uptrend. I'm going to have to take this more than likely loss pretty soon, and then I'm just going to go into these other coins. This has actually been pretty fun so far, minus the 3 days where the market was just trash. Catch you guys after I sell remark and buy into those other couple coins. Boy oh boy, it has been a minute. I have made quite a few trades since my last update. Now this definitely did not happen how I originally planned it, which was go hard for 3 days. Well, it didn't exactly happen. It's been about like 11 days since I last did an update. I was on vacation in Florida. I was trying to make those crypto gains. The market just wasn't cooperating. But yeah, so with that $500 that I went all in on remark, I was all the way down to $400 at one point. It ended up bouncing back just the other day, flew past what I bought it for, which I think was like $37, and went all the way up to $52. The problem is, I set my take profit at like $39 or $40, so I only ended up making $21 when I could have made like $150. Although this trade wasn't part of the video, in the one video where I spent $1,000 on altcoins, I bought Gala gains for $200 at 9 cents, and I didn't sell at 80 cents.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Between that and remark, I'm not a happy man right now. So what did I do after the remark trade? Well, I went into 2 more trades to finish this off. I went with 250 into Polka Starter and 250 into a left. I'm just trading off of some different coins. They've kind of been on a downtrend and I think would bounce back up. Polka Starter's actually been trending up past week or so, so I hopped in and made $6. Then with the left, I ended up losing $4. It's just staying down. It wasn't going back up, so it's like a $4 loss. I'm not too mad about that. So our total profit for this video is $47.
We don't accept 5-figure days, only 6-figure days.
Our job blows yours out of the water.
Which is only like a 10% return.